8 spiritual signals your manifestation is near. Have you ever felt sudden surge of energy? Like the universe is trying to tell you something big is about to happen. Well, guess what? It probably is. Today we are going to explore something that might just change your life. We are diving into the 8 spiritual signals that show your manifestation is right around the corner. You know that thing you have been pouring your heart and soul into manifesting. That dream that keeps you going even when times get tough. Well, the universe might be sending you message that it is about to become your reality. I remember a time when I was struggling to make ends meet. I had been working on manifesting financial abundance for months, but nothing seemed to be changing. I was starting to lose hope. But then I noticed something strange. Little signs started popping up everywhere. At first, I brushed them off as coincidences. But as they kept coming, I realized the universe was trying to tell me something. So let us make sure you don't miss these signals like I almost did. Here are 8 spiritual signals that your manifestation is near. A feeling of expectancy. You wake up with a sense of excitement like something amazing is just about to happen. It is that feeling you got as a kid on your birthday morning when your manifestation is close. These feelings becomes a constant companion. Glimpse from the past experiences. We have all had those moments where we feel like we have lived through something before. But when your manifestation is near, these experiences intensify. It is like the universe is giving you glimpses of the future. It is creating for you vivid, prophetic dreams. Your dreams become more vivid and meaningful. You might dream about the very thing you are trying to manifest or symbols related to it. Pay attention to these nighttime messages. They are often more than just dreams. Unexplainable attraction. You find yourself drawn to certain people, places, or things without knowing why. Maybe you feel compelled to take different route to work or strike up a conversation with a stranger. Follow these impulses. They are often the universe guiding you towards your manifestation. Meaningful coincidences. You start noticing patterns everywhere. Maybe you keep seeing the same number sequences or running into people with the same name. These synchronicities are the universe way of saying you are on the right track. Sudden life changes. This one can be a bit unsettling. People or situations that don't align with your manifestation might start falling away. It is like the universe is clearing the path for what's to come. Trust the process even when it feels uncomfortable. Physical sensation. Your body starts reacting to the energy of your coming manifestation. You might feel tingles, warmth, or even see flashes of light. It is your physical self aligning with the spiritual changes happening around you. Unshakable faith. This is the big one. When your manifestation is truly near, doubt fades away. You develop an unwavering belief that what you have asked for is already yours. It is not wishful thinking. It is a deep inner knowing. Now here is the important part. Seeing these signs does not mean you can sit back and wait for your manifestation to appear. They are actually calls to action. The universe is saying, I am ready when you are. So what should you do when you notice these signs? Double down on your efforts, align your actions with your desires. Show the universe you are serious about receiving what you have asked for. Remember how I mentioned my financial struggles? Well, when I started noticing these signs, I took it as a cue to pour everything into my business. I work harder than even before, but with a new sense of certainty. And you know what? Within months, my income had doubled to signs. The signs were there all along. I just needed to learn how to read them and act on them. Now, It is your turn. Which of these signs have you been experiencing? And more importantly, what are you going to do about it? Share in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey. Remember, your manifestation is not just a possibility, it is on its way. Are you ready to welcome it into your life? I'm reminding you that the universe is always speaking. It's time to open your eyes, ears, and heart to its messages.